Hello everyone, this is Shilpa. Welcome to Computer Network Lab tutorial. So today we will see static routing configuration using Cisco Packet Tracer. So all of you open Cisco Packet Tracer, and so before that, what do you mean by this static routing? So static routing means a type of routing where the network administrator manually enters the routes, means path that data packets should follow to reach a specific destination networks. Okay. So in simple words, static routing is when you manually tell the router which way to send data to reach another network. Okay. So now we will see static routing configuration using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's start the configuration. Okay. Uh, to build this network, we need two routers, two switches, and two PCs under each network. So I am going to select two routers. So this is the router 1 and this is router 2, and then two switches, go to network devices, switches, then switches, two switches, switch 1 and switch 2, and total 4 PCs, so 2 under each network. So go to end devices, select PC, PC0 and PC1, and here also PC0 and PC2, 3. Okay. So that will be under network 2 and PC0, PC1 under network 1. So now let's connect them. So we are going to use this copper straight through cable, right? So here fast Ethernet 0, 0 bar 1, right? Next, so in the same manner, connect all the devices, that is PC1 to switch, and here for network 2 PC2 to switch, and PC3 to switch. So all these are copper straight through cable only. And the next, same, either automatically you can choose the connection type, or just select the copper straight through cable if the devices are different type. Same kind means copper crossover cable. Okay. So next, from switch to, so switch I am taking 0 bar 3 and gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 0. And here also switch fast Ethernet 0 bar 3, and here gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 0. Okay. So we have created two networks. This is network 1 and this is network 2. So let's name it. So just name here. This is network 1. Okay. And this is network 2. Network 2. Right. Um, so actually there will be three networks, network 1 and 2, and third network is connecting two connecting the routers. Okay. So let's connect routers as well. Okay. So routers are of same type of devices. So a crossover cable will be used, right? Just connect 0 bar 1 to here also 0 bar 1. So this is a crossover cable, right? So let's assign IP address to these PCs under every network, and this is network 3. Okay, just name it network 3, right? So this is a network 1, network 2, and this is a network 3, right? Now assign IP address to PCs under every network. So first PC 0, right? So just so I'm making a note here just before that. So I'm giving any class you can give. So for network 1 I am giving class A address, that is 1.1.2, here 10.1.1.2. This is 10.1.1.3, and in that the default subnet mask, sorry, gateway is here 10.1.1.1, right? And the next for this PC, I am using class C 192.168.1.2, and default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, so just copy this. Same thing here. This is 1.3, and default gateway for network 2 is also 1.1, and this is the router address. Default gateway is nothing but router IP address, right? So here also just edit this, copy, okay, and just default gateway is same, right? Right. So this is a class A address and this is a class C address. So by default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 for class C. For class A it is 255.0.0.0. So for already you know, for every network there is a network address or network ID and broadcast address. So this is the class A address. For this, the network ID is, so here I am making a note, network ID. Okay, so network ID is or network address is for this 10.0.0.0. Okay, so in the same way for class C, okay, for class C the network ID is network ID is 192.168.1.0 for class C, for this IP address. Okay, and here in network 3, okay, so later we will see that. Okay, so first assign this IP address, go to desktop, IP configuration, this is 10.1.1.1, not 1 2. Okay, just copy this, and default gateway is 1.1, right? And just close this, and here just go to desktop and IP configuration, and here just 3 it is, and default gateway is gateway is nothing but IP address of first router. Okay, 1.1.1, and in the same manner PC2, go to desktop and IP configuration, this is 192.168.1.2. Okay, and just select that, copy that in the default gateway portion, just paste it, and it is 1.1. Okay, and in the same manner, so go to desktop IP configuration, and it is 1.3, and default gateway is 1.1. So assigning IP address to PCC is completed. Now just go to the router. This is a router and go to configuration. So use gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 0. So here for this the IP address is 10.1.1.1. So this is the default gateway address for PCs and this is router IP address. Just click on. So if it is no on means then only the data is or data packets is forward to next router or next PCs, okay, or next network. This is another local area network, right? So if just same thing, go to gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 0, same. So what is the IP address here? 1.1. Just click on, okay, right, just close it, right? So assigning IP addresses for routers also over. But this network is in red color only because we are not assigned IP address to that. Because see here, this is just place on this gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 1. Here also it is gigabit Ethernet 0 bar 1. Okay. So we need to assign IP address to this. Okay. So this is the network. Okay. So this address I am considering class B address 191.442.168.1.1. Okay, and just click on and just close it. And in the same way, router to also just go to 0 bar 1 and 168.1.2. Okay, the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. Just click on. Okay, so before that, just see the connectivity here. Here just from PC 0 to PC 1. Okay, it is successful. Okay, this is one local area network. Okay, and here also just see PC 2 to PC 3. So PC 2 to source is PC 2, destination is PC 3. We are using ICMP protocol, right? Successful. Now just check same thing. PC 0 to router 1. So it is also successful. So now check PC 2 to router 1. So it is also successful. See here. Okay. But if you are sending PC 0 to PC 2, now it will come as failed. Okay. Right. So now just see here. Right. So assigning IP addresses to all the PCs and routers is completed, right? So now just go to router and in the configuration static, just click on static option. So you will find three options under the static routers, that is a network and mask and next hop. So network means in which network we want to send the data. So that network ID we have to mention here. So that is the destination network. Mask of the network. Okay. So mask of the network means if it is class A means 255.0.0.0. Class B and class C. So subnet mask we need to provide. Okay. And then next hop. Next hop means next nearest neighbor of the source router. Okay. So towards the destination. So the network ID, or you can say that network IP address, we have to mention in the next hook, right? So let's do it. So in this case, we want to send the data from network 1 to network 2. So in the network field, we have to mention IP address of the second network address, right? IP address of the second network address. So this is the network one, this side just uh, see here, this is the network 2, right? So we need to mention network ID of second network, right? So I am in router 0. That's why we need to mention second network. That is the IP address is 192.168.1.0. Okay, this is dot or comma, right? 1.0. That is the second network, right? And mask you need to provide. What is the mask? This is a class C address 255.255.255.0, right? So next hop towards that network will be the network interface of the third network, so which is connecting to the second network. Okay, so here, so this is the next hop. So this router, right? So from this router, for this router, next hop is this is the this network IP address. Okay, so this IP address is 142.168.1.2. Okay, 1.2. Just drag this, just drag, sorry, and here just click on add button. So network address via this next hop. Okay, right? Just close it and click on second router, right? Then click static, then mention network. Okay, network ID first network. Okay, next network ID of first network. First network ID is 10.0.0.0, right? This is the network address. Last address is nothing but broadcast address. First address is nothing but network address. And mask is, it is a class A address. That's why 255.0.0. And the next hop is nothing but this address. Okay, so this is 142.168.1.1. Okay, just click add. Okay, right, just close it. So you can see the this router table also. Just click on this inspect. Okay, and you will get this symbol and click on this routing table. Okay, so this is a routing table of router A, and this is the routing table of router B, right? So here S, L, and C, these are the three symbols, right? So S is nothing but static. Okay, L means local network, right? So C means connected. So router is connected, and it is connected to local network with gigabit ethernet 0/1. Okay, and the port is here, the 192.168.1.0. Okay, like that, right? So just close it, right? So now we will check whether the packet is moving from this network to this network 1 to network 2 via network 3. Okay, just select packet, and PC0 to PC1. So it is successful. Just again select packet, and PC0 to router 2 we will check, that is router 1. So it is failed, it is taking some time, right? So it is still showing fail, right? So we will wait for some time. Again, now we will try to send the video again. Just now see here, it is successful. Just I'm deleting, right? So here, see here, from PC0 to router 1. Now it is successful, right? So in the same manner, just see PC0 to PC2. Now it is successful. Okay. Same manner PC0 to PC3. Okay. Now it is successful. Sorry, failed. Game failed. Just wait for some time. Right. So So for that I'm going to start the simulation window because I want to see the simulation. Now I select simple PDU. So here go to simulation window and just select this before that delete all these things and just select this PDU, right. I want to send the packet from network 1 first PC to network 2 this first PC. Okay, right. Just uh, play button, click on play button. Just it is going PC0 to switch. Next switch to router to router 0 to router 1, right. Again router 1 to switch, right. Next switch to PC2, PC2 and PC2 to switch and switch to router and router to router 0 and router to again switch 0, switch to PC 0. Now it is successful. Okay. So, so this is how we can configure routers using static routing method. So, and we can send packets from one network to another network. So previously we have seen how to configure routers, right. uh, right. So this is the static routing method. So thank you so much.